Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo that uses riff rhythm turn. So if you have not watched my videos breaking those down yet, I would recommend watching those first and then coming back to this one so that you have kind of the fundamentals of this across the floor combo. So this one is a good way if you just want to work on your riffs, or if you want to work on like building on your riffs, or a riff progression. So these are just a good way to work on your technique. So the way I start them, so I'm going to show you side view here because riffs are just easier going to the side. So the way I start them, 2 5-count riffs starting on your right foot. So, and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. So right, left. 2 5-count riffs. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And then from here, you're going to do a 9-count riff. So on your right foot, you're going to start it on your right foot, step, scuff, heel, dig, toe, and then you have back, front, back, front. So back, heel, front, heel, back toe, front toe. Okay, so a 9-count riff again is, okay, so 2 5-count riffs and then a 9-count riff. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From here, you are going to add in 2 more of those 5-count riffs. Hopefully I don't run out of space here. So 2 more of those 5-count riffs starting now on your left side. So here we go. 2 more. And then from here, instead of doing another 9-count riff, you're going to add in a riff rhythm turn. So on your left foot, you're going to go 3-count riff, brush step, then left heel, left toe, right toe. Okay? So again, second part of this across the floor combo is 2 5-count riffs, and then your riff rhythm turn. Good, nicely done. So the riff rhythm turn has the same counts pretty much as the 9-count riff, so they're very similar in that regard. So let's try it starting right foot. 2 5-count riffs, 9-count riff, 2 5-count riffs on the left, and then a riff rhythm turn on the left. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. So that would set us up. We finished that turn. And that would set us up to then start on our left foot. So back to those 5-count riffs. Here, let's go over left foot here. I'm going to go switch here. So back to those 5-count riffs on the left. And then your 9-count riff. And then 2 5-count riffs now starting with your right. But now you're going to have, instead of a 9-count riff, you're going to have your rhythm turn on the right foot. Okay, let's try left foot again. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. So what you would essentially do is you would start on your right foot, right from here. And then you would go right away in the left side. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.